Concentration refers to the mental effort you direct towards a task. It's sometimes confused with attention span, which refers to the length of time you can concentrate on something. Attention span and concentration can vary for a number of reasons. Some people have a harder time tuning out distractions. Keep watching to learn more about research-backed methods to help improve your concentration. Number 1, play fun games. Playing certain types of games can help you get better at concentrating. Try Sudoku crossword puzzles, chess jigsaw puzzles, word searches, or Scramble's memory games. A large 2015 study of 4,715 adults suggests that spending 15 minutes a day, 5 days a week, on brain training activities can improve concentration. The good news is brain training games can also help develop working and short-term memory, processing, and problem-solving skills. Brain training can work for kids, too. Invest in a book of word puzzles, complete a jigsaw puzzle together, or play a game of memory. Even coloring can help improve concentration in children or adults. Older children may enjoy more detailed coloring pages, like those found in adult coloring books. Number 2, play video games. A 2021 study of 154 children suggests gaming could help improve visual selective attention, VSA. VSA refers to your ability to concentrate on a specific task while ignoring distractions. However, it's unclear how long the effect lasts. A 2017 review examined 100 studies, examining how video games could affect cognitive function. The results suggest that playing video games may lead to various changes in the brain, including increased attention and focus. Number 3, improve your sleep. Sleep deprivation can easily disrupt concentration, not to mention other cognitive functions, such as memory and attention. Occasional sleep deprivation may not cause too many problems for you, but 4, exercise. Regular physical activity drastically improves focus and concentration. A 2018 study of 116 fifth graders found evidence to suggest that daily physical activity could help improve both concentration and attention after just 4 weeks. Research from 2020 found that adults over 45 who engaged in regular physical activity experienced less subjective cognitive decline. Number 5, get closer to nature. Try to get outside every day, even for a short while. You might take a short walk through a park. Sitting in your garden or backyard can also help. Any natural environment has benefits. According to the American Psychological Association, APA, spending time in nature can have a positive impact on both physical and mental health. Number 6, take a short break. Taking a short break from work or homework can increase your concentration. Consider this scenario. You've spent a few hours on the same project, and suddenly your attention starts to wander. Even though it's hard to keep your mind on the task, you stay at your desk, forcing yourself to keep going. But your difficulty focusing makes you feel stressed and anxious about not completing your work on time. You've probably been there before. Next time this happens, when you first feel your concentration drop, take a short mental break. Refresh yourself with a cool drink or nutritious snack, take a quick walk, or go outside and get some sun. When you return to work, you may feel more focused, motivated, or even creative. Breaks can help boost these functions and more. Number 7, consider your diet. The foods you eat affect cognitive functions like concentration and memory. To improve concentration, avoid processed foods, too much sugar, and very greasy or fatty foods. Instead, try eating more of the following: fatty fish, think salmon and trout, eggs, white and yolk both, berries, spinach. You can also try following the MIND diet, an eating plan designed to keep your brain healthy. Staying hydrated can also positively impact concentration. Even mild dehydration can make it harder to focus or remember information. Number 8, have coffee. There's no need to include caffeine in your diet if you prefer to avoid it, but research does suggest consuming caffeine may improve your processing speed. If you feel your concentration starting to drop, consider a cup of coffee or green tea. If you don't enjoy caffeinated beverages, a serving of dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, can have similar benefits.